Good morning. So my name is Hernante Season, your real estate sales partner for your future home. So this house is for sale, claim title for only 4.7 million. So the lot area will be 137 square meter. So at the upper ground, yes, is two bedroom with two toilet and bath. This is the master bedroom. And with veranda. So this is the second bedroom with toilet and bath also. Yeah. So this location will be Prestige Home Subdivision, Cabantian. So at the heart of Davao City. The toilet and bath at the ground floor area. So if you are interested, please call my number na nasa screen.